Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. Well, if you watched last week, I mentioned that Slate Group sent me two different but equally exciting pieces that they designed and produced for University of Wyoming. So I decided that I would show them consecutively. So this is part two, and this one last week was a highly targeted dimensional piece. This week is a folded self mailer. They did about 5,000 of these, and kind of also bold and oversized and different, and I think you're going to really like it. The mailing panel's back here, just bold messaging on the outside. These were sent to thank students for their enrollment. So it's just designed to get them all excited. So it says, get ready for the ride of your life, opens up, and then technically this is a reverse trifold. So the fold-in panel is coming off of this side rather than this side. And it's also a broadside. I'll show you how it works. But it opens up like this, and it says Go Pokes, and it's got their logo, and it's got this interesting die cut that's going on all across here. So this is broadside. This folds up, I'll show you, like this. So then you've got the logo up here, see you in the fall. It gives them, just bold and useful information where to go to get started. It's got the social media hashtags. And so it's just simple and exciting. So this folds down, and then this folds in and folds in. So the format itself is pretty simple. This is on a 100-pound matte cover sheet, a coated sheet, and then these were printed on a Komori press, and they have a spot gloss UV. So simple in production. These are die score hand fold. As I mentioned, they did about 5,000 of them, and just a really cool way to welcome students. And, just that branding and the boldness is exciting. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Broadside reverse trifold with creative die cut. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded sample stylings and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.